Hey everyone, welcome back to Miles Tech, your number one spot for simple and practical tech guides from Uganda and beyond. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create your Airtel Uganda Global MasterCard, step by step, using just your phone.
With this card, you can shop online, pay for Netflix, subscribe to Tech, buy from Amazon, or even run Facebook ads all directly from your Airtel Money account. Let's jump right in. First, open your Airtel Money app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search Airtel Money Uganda and install it. Once you open it, log in using your Airtel number and PIN. On the home screen, scroll until you find Cards or Airtel MasterCard, tap on it, and you'll see an option that says Generate Airtel Virtual MasterCard. This is what gives you access to a global MasterCard linked to your Airtel Money wallet. Tap Create Card. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your Airtel Money PIN. Enter it to authorize the card creation process. In a few seconds, you will receive a message saying your Airtel MasterCard has been created successfully. To see your card details, the card number, expiry date, and CVV, tap on View Card Details. You'll enter your PIN again for security. Important: don't share your card details with anyone. Take a screenshot and store it in a safe, private folder.
Now that your Airtel MasterCard is ready, you can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted worldwide.
That means Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, Check Plus, Facebook, as you name it. When checking out, just enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV as you would with any regular debit card. To check your card balance or transaction history, go back to the Airtel MasterCard section in your app. Select Card Balance or Transaction History to view your available funds and recent activity. Everything is tracked right there in real time. If you ever lose your phone or suspect unauthorized use, open your Airtel Money app. Go to Cards, Manage Card, Block Card, confirm with your PIN, and Airtel will block your virtual MasterCard immediately. You can always create a new one later. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always make sure you have enough money in your Airtel Money wallet before making online payments. Some websites may charge a small international transaction fee. That's normal. Your Airtel MasterCard is valid globally, so it's perfect for freelancers, students, and online shoppers in Uganda.
And that's it. Your Airtel Uganda Global MasterCard is ready to go.
If this video helped you, please smash that like button, subscribe to Miles Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tech tutorial. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. This is Miles Tech, bringing you the best of digital Uganda.
See you in the next one.